Are you constantly addressing bottlenecks in your water distribution system design, planning, and operation, and under strict time constraints? Is your water system too complex to understand hydraulic behavior and performance? And do you wish you could easily understand your system's hydraulics within the GIS platform you're familiar with? Over the last decade, hydraulic models have increased in complexity. This is why InfoWater Pro was designed to make it easy to build and manage models while enabling water modelers to solve a wide range of water network-related challenges. By fully understanding your modeling results quickly, you can focus on engineering and your water system. InfoWater Pro, being built on ArcGIS Pro, enables modelers and GIS practitioners to leverage geospatial tools for easy model management. You can also create detailed GIS maps of hydraulics, including 3D views, to help you better interpret these results or to present them to stakeholders more clearly. InfoWater Pro enables modelers to achieve the following with their water projects: ensure water service levels are met in every part of the water system, meet the requirements for fire flow reliability, design cost-effective water system expansions, plan ahead with multiple connected scenarios so your water system copes with short and long-term population growth, improve water quality, and find old water within the system, plan for emergency and customer notification, and much more. InfoWater Pro has empowered thousands of engineers around the world to make intelligent, informed, and accurate decisions about their water supply network.